Hello there, so today I want to show you how to add the typewriter effect in GroovePages. So if you like this video and find it useful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to be notified of new video that I'm doing to improve GroovePages, or if you want tools and tips actually regarding your online business, please subscribe to the channel. So what are we trying to do? We want to have an effect of typewriter in our GroovePage title, or actually page heading. So what we need for that? So actually we need a free GrooveFunnel account. If you don't have one, you can click on the link in the description below to create a new one. You will have a lot of stuff actually for free, like 3 websites, custom domain, and so on. So how we will do it? Actually, we will add a heading, but I already done this in my page, but you need to add a heading to your page. You need to add the hook, or actually you need to name your heading so the code that we will put in the page will know what heading to look at. We will add our code. This is a 2-part series actually for that, and we will see it work. So let's get into it. So this is the page that I'm working at. Actually, it's often the same page that I'm working with, so you probably are used to see it. So what we want to do is something like that. So the heading here, this is the base text of the heading that will be in my text, and this is the text that we are working with actually. In this page I also have my fix to the mail to and text link, or my 2-line button actually that you can find on my channel. So we will see how to do this. So currently my page looking like this. So this heading is this. If you select it and you go into edit, you will see that my heading is there, and I have actually a custom attribute here that I write in the element ID, and I write text rotate. So it's pretty straightforward. In this video actually I'm using the element ID because I found that the here the class attribute is having a hard time actually to stick to the change. So since they improved the editor, I think this is an negative effect of it. Actually the class attribute are less sticky to the element in the on the heading. So this will probably be fixed later on, but for now actually this causing me problem to do what I'm looking for. So we only have to add actually the element ID text rotate. So this is the hook. So after that, what we need to do is to go into the page, into edit setting, and we need to add 2 parts to this. So this all will be written in my blog post that you will find the link in the description below, but you will see that you have to add your heading, add your custom ID text rotate, and then you need to add, like I said here, the first part is to add the GS, this is a JavaScript file in the code include section. So here in your page, in the code include section, below every other code that you may have, you add this link here. This link will load the JavaScript with the code needed to make the text move as a typewriter. The next part actually is to add the script that is here. And this script here, this is the word that will be added to your heading. So you need to place the word there. So this is the word that you replace, actually, each of this one. So like this, I will copy this, and as you can see here, text to rotate speed, this is the speed rotation, and this line here will start the text rotation. This is the explanation of each line here. So this will be added to the include in body button section. So I come here in the include in body button, I add the text by itself, and if you want, you actually can change the word here. You can also add another words. If you want to add one, you need a comma, quote, and last word. Okay, so I do save, and I do preview. So you see now here my text heading here is animated. So this is an example, this is pure GS, and the last one should be actually that is last word. Yes, it's work. Yes, cool. So after that you only publish your change and you're good to go. So this actually wraps up how to make editing work as a typewriter, and hope it helps, and this is what you were looking for. If you have comment, give it in the comment below, and if you like this video and find it useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more of other videos that I'm posting, just subscribe to the channel. I'll be more happy to have you with my subscriber. So enjoy and have a great day. Bye bye.